Okay, this is May in England. Quite nice. But let me take you forward 5 minutes if I can, because it's going to be a before and after shot, isn't it, Kira? Oh, I think Madam Mister's trying to make an appearance as well. You won't like it in 5 minutes, Alfie. Okay, let's see what happens. And here's the after shot. And of course it's raining, as you can see. Let's go and see what the English pen liner is like in the rain again. Ooh. I'll shut the door. So this is a quick update. She hasn't leaked once since all the repairs have been done. We didn't have many, to be honest with you. It's completely dry. I must admit we are a little bit fed up of the rain. I think it's been the worst May in England on record. I mean, everything out there is ready to go. Radio's working nice. And as you can see, completely dry. A bit messy in here. That's because everything's on standby. Still. Look. Yeah. Horrible weather. I'll shut that out. It's nice in here, nice and cosy. And look out here. Yeah, not the best, is it? And on top of that, we're going to get hailstones later. Okay, that's my quick Monday moan over with. I'll leave you with these delightful shots. May 2021, England. Stuck in the garden.